The Qingming Festival, the Spring Festival, the Dragon Boat Festival, and the Mid-Autumn Festival are known as the four greatest traditional Chinese festivals. The Qingming Festival, also known as Ancestor Worship Festival, Spring Autumn Festival, it is one of the 24 solar terms, takes place on the 15th day after the spring equinox in China. The 24 solar terms, based on the sun's position in the zodiac, were created by ancient Chinese before the Qing dynasty. Spring equinox, summer solstice, autumn equinox, winter solstice. The Qingming Festival on the 15th day after the spring equinox literally means pure brightness. The Qingming Festival has been observed for over 2,500 years. Sweeping tombs and make ritual offerings to ancestors. It's an important activity. After this, we could enjoy the spring weather with kite flying, plant trees, etc. Tuan, the sweet green rice ball, is one of traditional foods to eat during the festival, especially in southern China. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the Tuan. We only need leaves here. Mugwort is also being used for traditional Chinese dye, so it's better to wear disposable gloves, otherwise your fingers will be dyed quickly. Baking soda helps keeping the green color. Boiling for 1 minute to get rid of the harshness. Move them to cold water, helps to maintain green color. Squeeze the water out and add clean water. Very nice fresh aroma. Add glutinous rice powder. Mix them well. Roast peanuts by low heat until you smell the nice fragrance of peanuts. Remove the skin of peanuts. Crush roasted sesame also. Add sugar. Each piece is about 55 grams. Place it on baking sheet or bamboo leaf. Steam for 12 minutes. The taste of spring, fragrance of mugwort and peanuts, so delicious. If you have a chance, please also try it.